So in previous video, in part 3, discuss the two-dimensional close packing, square close packing. So in this video, we discuss the hexagonal close packing in two-dimensional. What is the mean by the hexagonal close packing? Let us see. So hexagonal close packing. So here the close packing in a solids, the atoms can be arranged in this way. Students, clearly observe. These are the one arrangement of atoms, and next row the arrangement will be different. Observe clearly. Here this atom is not same to each other. So here this row is the different arrangement. And clearly observe student, this row is the similar to the first row. Means for example here we consider first row arrangement is the A type of arrangement, and second row arrangement is the B type of arrangement because it is different compared with the first row, and third row arrangement is the similar to the first row arrangement, so it is considered as a type of arrangement, and remaining fourth row is the similar to the second row, that is the B type of arrangement, and remaining row is the similar to the third and first row, that is the A type of arrangement, and remaining is the B type of arrangement. Means here the hexagonal close packing arrangement, the atoms can be arranged as A, B type of arrangement. Okay students? So when they are arranged in this type of arrangement, here we consider that the central atom. This atom is touches to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This atom is touches to the 6 atoms. So when we draw the one diagram, it is appearing as a hexagonal. What is that students? It is appearing as a hexagonal. So these type of arrangement, these type of close packing is name given as a hexagonal close packing. Name is given as a, what is that? Hexagonal close packing. So this is the hexagonal close packing in two-dimensional. How they can arrange it? AB type of arrangement. When the atoms close packing in a solids like a hexagonal close packing, then their packing efficiency is the 74% and the coordination number is the 12. What is that students? Coordination number is 12. And example for solids for this hexagonal close packing is example beryllium, magnesium, cadmium. So these are the few metals is example for hexagonal close packing arrangement. So this is the two-dimensional arrangement. What is that? Square close packing. Another one is the hexagonal close packing. Now we move to the three-dimensional arrangement. So in the three-dimensional, in the two-dimensional only we studied the how many types? Two types. One is square close packing. Another one is the hexagonal close packing. So in the three-dimensional, there are the three types of close packing in a solid materials will be present. One is name given as a hexagonal close packing in three-dimensional. Cubic close packing, nothing but it is the face-centered cubic arrangement. Third one is the body-centered cubic arrangement. So in the hexagonal close packing for three-dimensional, they can be arranged as a AB type of arrangement, just like a previous. So when they are arranged in the hexagonal close packing for three-dimensional, their packing efficiency is 74%. Packing efficiency is 74%. And the coordination number is same, that is the 12. This is the three-dimensional hexagonal close packing. And what are the example for? What is the metals is example for? This hexagonal close packing means zinc and osmium. Like these metals is arranged as a hexagonal close packing. And another one is the cubic close packing. This cubic close packing is also called as a face centered cubic close packing. Here in this cubic close packing or face centered cubic close packing, the atoms or ions is arranged in ABC, ABC, ABC type of arrangement. Means first row, second row, third row. Both are different. First row model is the A, second row is the B type of arrangement, third row is the C type of arrangement. Again fourth row is the similar to the first row, that is the A type of arrangement. Again fifth row is the similar to the second row, so B type of arrangement. Sixth row is the similar to the third type, so that is the C type of arrangement. Means ABC, 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 ABC type of arrangement in cubic close packing. So when they are arranged in the cubic close packing or face centered cubic arrangement, the packing efficiency is how much? 74%. Then the coordination number is equals to the 12. And what are the metals is follows this cubic close packing or face centered cubic means aluminum, copper, iron. Like a metals is follows this cubic close packing or face centered arrangement. So another third type of arrangement for three-dimensional arrangement is the body centered cubic arrangement. Body centered cubic arrangement. When the atoms are arranged in the body centered cubic arrangement in a solids, the packing efficiency is the 68% and its coordination number is the 8. Packing efficiency is 68%, coordination number is 8. And the examples of the sodium, potassium, rubidium metals is follows the body centered cubic arrangement. So these are the three types of arrangement. Close packing is present in three-dimensional. In three-dimensional, total how many type of close packing in a solids are present? 3 types. How many types? 3 types. And that one is hexagonal close packing. Second one is cubic close packing. Name of cubic close packing is the face centered cubic close packing. Third one is the body centered cubic close packing. These are the 3 types of arrangement in three-dimensional close packing in a solid. So in hexagonal close packing, the packing efficiency is the 74%, coordination number is the 12. So in cubic close packing or face centered cubic close packing, packing efficiency is how much? 74%, coordination number is 12. And third arrangement, body centered cubic close packing, the packing efficiency is the 68%, coordination number is the 8. So this is the close packing in a solids. So our syllabus is related to only three-dimensional, but we have to know how they can arrange it. So in two-dimensional, only 2 types of close packing arrangement will be present. That is the hexagonal close packing, square close packing. So in three-dimensional, there are the 3 types. Hexagonal close packing, packing efficiency is 74%, coordination number is 12. Cubic close packing, packing efficiency is 74%, coordination number is also same, 12. Body centered cubic arrangement, packing efficiency is 68%, coordination number is 8. So this is the close packing in a solids.